Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I'm very happy to look outside the window. Okay, I'm going to go for a walk right now. Let's go for a short walk. Okay. Now, this is the season. Oh, I was so waiting for this. Yes. I'm so glad I'm doing this. I love the roads. Now I'll show you something. Oh, there they are. My favorite parakeets are there. Okay, hanging over the building. Okay, now let's go back home. I am heading back home from the garden. Okay, here I come near my building. आईने चिकन केलंय. वाव, जे मी साफ करून दिलंय. ऑफकोर्स काही पीसेस काढून आम्ही तळलेत. आम्ही म्हणजे माझ्या बहिणीने. आता चहा झालाय आमचा. ओके, हॅपी संडे. बस आता बस.